Hello everyone, I'd like to introduce to you my beloved grandmother, Ilana Jacobson. Ilana Jacobson is originally from Iraq, and she made an aliyah and moved to the Holy Land of Eretz Israel in the early 1950s, where she currently resides in Jerusalem, in Yerushalayim, and she has made one heck of a trip to come and visit her son and his family in the beautiful state of Wisconsin. Here she is, Ilana Jacobson. Okay.
She has made it. She is here.
My beloved grandmother is a person who I've been close with my entire life. She's someone who has taught me the basics of life, and she's someone who I truly look up to and who's very inspirational. With that in mind, I would like to have her share 5 tips for life for young adults, for people who are truly in the look for inspiration. And without further ado, Ilana Jacobson.
שיר להורים, כי להורים יש ניסיון רב. דבר שני, ללמוד מכל אדם שאפשר. כי מכל אדם אפשר ללמוד דברים אחרים וחדשים. 3. כל הזמן ללמוד דברים חדשים. לא להפסיק ללמוד. ודבר האחרון, אני רוצה להציע להתמקד בדבר שמתחילים ולא לקפוץ מדבר לדבר ולעשות. להקפיד על קשר עם אנשים שאכפת להם ממך, כי זה מאוד חשוב הדבר.